Hi, I'm Audrey. I'm from France and I've been here for 21 days now. If I should tell you about my experience here, I would say that everybody is really, really kind and present for us. We have a lot of doctors, of people that take care of the place. The room is always clean. People are really, really careful about us. I had 5 therapists every day, and I think like I've had a really good connection with them, and I will really, really miss them so much. And it's a really huge privilege to be taken care so much by so many people. The doctors are really, really careful for each little pain we have, and they either give you medication or reassure you. So it's really, really helpful for the mental and just be relaxed. And also yoga class on the morning is really completing everything with a good starting of the day. And maybe at last, yeah, the meal are always really, really good with a good cooking team. They are always smiling and yeah, really giving a lot of love with their food. So I really appreciate that. I will really miss this place, and I can only tell you that Matt India is one of the best places to come.